Realme has just made official its 12 Pro Plus and 12 Pro models. Previously, it showed during the CES in Las Vegas the Realme Pro Plus, where we could know it physically and several of its specifications, but we had not known its price. So let me remind you of the specifications of this model. It has a thickness of 8.75 millimeters and weighs 196 grams. Its screen is 6.67 inches with OLED technology and Full HD Plus resolution with 120 Hz in its refresh rate. In addition, it is a screen with a color depth of 10 bits and a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz in addition to 2160 Hz in its attenuation, so it is a very comfortable screen visually speaking. Its processor is the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, plus it comes with Android 14 and Realme UI 5.0. In the photographic section, the primary camera is 50 megapixels with optical stabilization. Then we will find a periscope camera with zoom 3x and a 64 megapixel sensor made by OmniVision, plus it does have optical stabilization. And finally, the 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and the 32 megapixel front camera. The battery is 5000 milliamps and supports 67 watts charging via cable. It also has an in-display fingerprint reader. The base model has 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage and has been announced in India at a price of 29,999 rupees. That's approximately $360, and remember, this is the most basic model. There is an intermediate model, and the top-of-the-line model has 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage at an announced price for India of 33,999 rupees, which is approximately $410. We will have to wait for its launch in other regions, which will surely be during the following days to know its price adapted to different regions, because remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. But that was not the only model presented. Realme also presented the Realme 12 Pro. It is quite similar to its big brother, but with the main difference of integrating the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor. In addition, it has a telephoto 2x, unlike its big brother that has 3x, but the sensor is a Sony IMX709 of 32 megapixels. The front camera also drops in resolution, reaching 16 megapixels, but the rest of the features are very similar. The base configuration is 8 GB of RAM with 128 storage at a price of 25,999 rupees.